What's up, YouTube? I'm going to look at Ethereum and starting on the weekly chart. I'm using this peak to trough at the moment because, in my opinion, this rally here was a fake out. So, in my opinion, this was the top of the bull market in 2021. But it can be argued that this was the peak. But in my opinion, this was a fake out. And if you disagree with that, that's fine, but it's just my opinion. Anywho, I'm using this peak to trough, and at the moment I can see Ethereum rallying up to the 0.382 here at 1624. We've broken above the 21 EMA here, which is a very bullish sign. So next week, if we get some follow through, we could definitely tap this level here. Stochastic RSI is looking bullish, and yeah, it's looking really healthy for Ethereum at the moment. Even if we do tap this 0.382, it'll be a lower high. So if you're still bearish on the crypto market, I mean, you could possibly short here if you wanted to, but like I've discussed in the Discord, I'm not a big fan of shorting. I prefer longing from support and then selling resistance, because when you sell resistance, you're essentially going short, just without all the risk. So the most optimistic view is to rally up to 1750. I'm definitely not ruling that out. You've got dual EMAs here. You've got the 100 and the 50 EMA. Now that is what they call a death cross of EMAs, but death cross it sounds worse than what it actually is, but I mean, some people think that's bearish, but I don't really pay attention too much to that kind of stuff. So anyway, we'll find resistance in this zone for sure. So, but at the moment, I wouldn't be shorting Ethereum. Heading over to the 3-day chart. Now, the volume here still looks low, but this is the BUSD chart. So if we want to look at the volume, a more accurate picture of the volume, it's probably best to use the USDT chart. So, but anyway, let's just see what's going on here. So we have this impulse move from 2031 down to 1071, and we are approaching the golden pocket here. So we have the 300 EMA and the 0.618 here on the 3-day at 1583. Stochastic still bullish, but approaching overbought levels. Heading over to the daily chart. So we have a golden ratio here in line with the 200 EMA on the daily at a touch below 1500, and that's a psychological number too. So very likely that we head to this level here, especially on this move. Our stochastic RSI is overbought, but doesn't show any signs yet of rolling over. We are getting close though. But that golden ratio from this move is in full effect. So that's probably the area where I'd like to take some profits on Ethereum if you're in a leveraged trade. Hodlers, obviously, you hold. So you could maybe swap some Ethereum into BTC, but if you're a trader with leverage, then yeah, you want to be taking profits on your long up here. And now let's zoom in on the 8-hour chart and look at that. We are at the 4.236 and the 500 EMA, and we found a bit of resistance there at the moment. So It's a beautiful move. This is why Fibonacci is the indicator to use. We had this impulse move. We found resistance here at the golden ratio here. Found support along the 1 and have subsequently rallied towards the 4.236 here along with the 500 EMA. So textbook Fibonacci and EMA technicals here. And on the 4-hour chart, yeah, it's fairly irrelevant really, but just like Bitcoin, we have broken above the 500 EMA. We did here as well back in November before the FTX saga. So just like Matic, we had a big breakout, but it's yeah, obviously that black swan event caused Ethereum to come back down into the trading range. But yeah, we've seen it. It looks like it's popped its head above the 500 EMA quite a bit here, Ethereum. So we will find resistance eventually, but yeah, I'm thinking that 1500 level, psychological number as well. So that's where we should find some strong resistance and potentially have an ABC correction from there. And let's have a look if we can draw in some Elliott wave here from this low. So we could call that or wait, that probably is better actually. So yeah, we could be in the 5th wave here towards that psychological $1,500 level. So yeah, drop a comment, subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in another update. Peace.